We saw in another story, we saw a businessman whose name was Diego. Yes, Diego. He was going to somewhere regarding his business, his car, music, everything was looking well. Then suddenly a car was coming in front of his car that was moving slowly. Diego presses his car again and again and says to give him way in front, but he doesn't halt. And in front of him, Diego now goes to the side and see a man that sitting in the car who was strange. Now he say hail to him and move ahead of his car and also show him a middle finger. Diego car was at high speed, but moving forward, Diego started driving in his high speed, but suddenly his car got punctured. He parked his car near a pole and no one could be seen from here. On the top of that, Diego also fought with a man. On the top of the that, he parked in on he another tire, but he don't know how to install. That's why we call a mechanic, but he tell him to come after an hour. Now Diego was trying to install the tire, but before he could install the tire, fix all the screw, the same old car was come there and which was bothering him from behind. Diego got scared that he quickly moves and sit in his car. The man sitting in the car, other car comes in front and stop his car and come near Diego. He was scared of that man and say, "Forgive me, I shouldn't have said anything bad to you." But the man was furious and started breaking the glass of his car with a wrench. Diego got scared and called the police, but there is no internet connection. He was not satisfied by breaking the glass pane, was doing even more wrong things. Diego felt very bad seeing all this man sit in the car. He started his car from the back end with the hand pull tire and pushes his car. Because of this, the old car into the pool. He also become injured. The Diego was leaving me, but his anger was still not cool and turned his car back to them and tries to kill him. But before he could do anything, Diego tire was opened his car also fall in the pool, but that man come in his car and beat him a lot and also ties his neck on the seat belt. That man anger was not calmed and he set the petrol tank on fire so that Diego dies there. As he was going, Diego comes from behind and grab his leg, on which both of them got stuck in the car. Diego mechanic also come here and then Diego a huge explosion is which Diego and that man was died. When that mechanic call the police, they come and put out the fire. They see in the car their skeleton was left only. As they were sitting in the police officer sees them and say maybe they will trying to save and each other, but they did not know they killed each other in fire of revenge. So the lesson of this from all of that, if we ignore small mistake in our life, we can be saved from huge problem. Like if Diego ever had ignored that crazy man, then all this wouldn't